Hello, this is Jason, and getting ready to go for a walk at night. And I'm using the Pocket 3 this time because it is still the most superior for nighttime shooting. But this bright light right here that's outside my accommodations makes for a good broadcast light. But let's go for a little walk, and I'm gonna go get some tacos. So let's go check it out. Not using a mic, just using the built-in internal camera on this. It's been a while since I used the internal camera, the internal microphone. It's been a while since I used it. I forget what it sounded like. I'm sure the external mic, a wireless mic, sounds better, but it can be a little annoying to wear it on my shirt, especially these really light, thin shirts. They have like no support, so it drags the shirt down and makes my shirt look silly. So I'm just gonna try the internal mic for tonight. And went out to the beach earlier today. Show you a little bit of drone footage that I got. It was pretty hot though. It was around noon. So it was like one of the hottest parts of the day. I think it got up to like 85 today. 85 or 86 maybe. What are these big old trucks doing here? A lot of cement. Hogging up the roadway. I've already walked. Let me give you an exact measurement. 3.63 miles today so far. Probably get another 2 miles in before I go back. I'm just staying on this street, not going over a couple streets, so shouldn't be as far as I walked earlier. And I went to sleep late, around 2 a.m. and I got up early at like 7 a.m. So I usually sleep between 6 and 7 hours, but I only got about 5 hours sleep last night, so I'm a little tired. Might fall asleep earlier tonight. I watched a movie earlier, the new Leonardo DiCaprio movie. Is one battle after another. It was long. It's like 2 hours and 40 minutes. And I think the movie's still in theaters. But if you're not aware, there's a site called I think it's Hula Watch. Don't tell anyone I told you, but you might Google it and find things there that you're interested in. But the movie was pretty good. was interesting. Got my attention. Alright, I'll tune back in with you guys down the road. Alright, here we are. The taco kitchen. Here's the menu. Maybe I'll get a burrito. Texas chicken burrito. Sounds good. It's about $8. I'll do it. Hello. Do the Texas chicken burrito.
Texas chicken burrito?
Yep.
Anything else?
Oh, that'll do it.
Would you like some drink?
No thanks.
You want it here or take away?
I'll eat here.
Eat here. I repeat your order. One classic Texas burrito chicken, 149, 500 rupiah. By card?
Yep. Alright, thank you. Here's some guitar playing. Fan. This thing actually is pretty good. Alright, so the actual price was $9 because they added a service fee on there. Awesome, thank you. Smells good. I got some Bakari sweat in the thermos. It's a tasty burrito. Got a little spice to it. Chicken, refried beans, cheese, sauce. That's as good as any burrito in Texas. Burrito destroyed. Might go check out a live band. Alright, here's the band playing something bluesy. Bravo, bravo. All right, I'm heading back home. Short outing tonight. And see what I get into tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me. And unless I, hello. I'm good. So unless I see anything interesting, I will bid you adieu for the evening. So I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.